So I want to show you in ChatGPT how to create a performance task using ChatGPT quickly so that you can help assess your students. So here's the prompt. Design a performance task for high school biology students similar to the Smarter Balanced Assessment Consortium or CAASPP, focusing on genetics. Now that's the prompt. I gave it some context. Show how teachers can use ChatGPT to create rigorous and standards aligned performance tasks that assess students' critical thinking and application. So it will spit it out very quickly. So this is an overview. It's telling you what it wants using understanding Mendelian genetics. So here's the task: predicting offspring, explaining the results. And this is scenario 2. And then what I would want to do is even push it just a little bit harder and say, give me a rubric. Oh, it gave me a rubric. Give me an exemplar answer with the rubric. This can help you. You already know the content, whatever grade level you're teaching. This can help organize you. So it's showing you, okay, so it's giving you the Punnett square, which is great. It's giving you the example, explaining the results. It's giving you another exemplar. Oh, this is fantastic. It's giving you the application of knowledge, critical thinking analysis, and communication skills. It has the recessive and the dominant trait, recessive dominant trait. It's telling you the colors. This is beautiful. So I do hope that you can really use this and see the benefit of ChatGPT. Now, if you're an educator and you'd like some ideas on prompting, go ahead to the description and grab the free download. Yes, it's fun, it's easy, and yes, ChatGPT will make you more efficient. Now, make sure you subscribe, comment, and like. Tell me how you're using ChatGPT as an educator and how it's making you more efficient in your daily lesson planning. Thank you so much for watching.